Welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette. I apologize for not having any videos out lately. We haven't done much in the house. We have been quite busy. We are doing a beautiful bathroom for a client in Southport, beautiful town. I had the opportunity to drive around for a bit. So in one of my drives, I pop into Dunlem Mill, this lovely basket. Now the price, £10. The reason is this handle is missing. But for me it's not a problem, because we are halfway through doing a shower room for the guests upstairs. I'll make sure to show you guys the next stage of it. So this is perfect. I don't need the two handles, I only need one, because it's going to fit in an old alcove right next to the shower cubicle, so that the guests, when they leave, they can leave all day bath towels, bath sheets and things like that inside here for me to wash afterwards. So perfect. But it's silver. You know me, I prefer matte black. So I'm going to cover the handle, take the fabric inside, remove the bottom, and I'm going to spray it matte black. So that is sprayed now. So you can see there, I covered the handle with masking tape, and the bottom, once it's dry, I will attach the bottom back on again. The basket is now dry. I'm going to take the cover here, the masking tape that I used so it wouldn't spray the handle, and now I will just attach the bottom back on again and put the lining inside. It was nothing wrong the way it was to begin with, and I think it's a great price from Dunlem Mill. It's just I'm doing a bathroom for the guests upstairs, and it's going to be quite industrial looking, and I think that the black will go better with it, will match the taps and things. So just something different, and you all know how much I like matte black. So this is the end result. We are halfway done bathroom. So for you guys to have an idea, not major change, just the work, the metal work is black rather than silver, because once this is done you will understand. So I just is more industrial. So the idea is to go in there, and once all the walls are prepared, I will have a shelf over there and another one above in this corner, so that I can store bath towels for the guests, and then they can just dump them, the used ones, in the bin afterwards. So if I can show you, it will just roll out, and then once the shelf is there, under the shelf, and I think it looks really cute. Just a simple small video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to give the thumbs up, and if you haven't done already, please subscribe. It's completely free Thank you very much. Bye bye.